Hey guys, so you're planning to get your roof done this year and you got to go out and get 3 estimates, right? Well, maybe not. All right, guys, so when you are considering contractors, when you've decided that you want to get your roof done, you're moving forward with it, and you're now in the phase where you are coming up with your budget, what you want, and who you're going to get to do it. I think there's 4 things that that contribute to deciding whether or not you need to get 1 estimate or you need to get 10 estimates. So the first one is, how much time do you have? Is this something that you are planning right now and you're going to do it 6 months in the future? Or is there water pouring through your ceiling and you got to have this done ASAP? Currently, the Better Business Bureau recommends for homeowners like yourself that you go get 5 to 6 estimates and you just pick whichever one is in the middle, which, could be a good plan, could help you maximize value for your dollars spent, but it also could just get you a middle of the road roofing company and kind of, a shot in the dark as far as whether they're going to be great at communication or whether they're going to do the job they say they're going to do. So when you go out and you get 5 or 6 estimates, it's going to be very time consuming. When we do our inspections and our presentations, we normally take between 60 minutes and 90 minutes. That's an hour and a half. Do you have, an hour and a half times 6 in a week or 2 weeks that you can take out to listen to all these different roofing companies? Probably not. So when you're evaluating that, maybe you pick the 2 best roofing companies in your area or someone that you know and a really good roofing company that you know in the area, and you get 2 estimates from that and you pick from one of those. The second thing is, what do you want? Have you already done some research? Do you know that you want a metal roof? Do you know that you want a synthetic shingle roof? Do you know that you just want a plain old asphalt shingle roof? If you know that going in, you already know what you want. Well, if the first company that comes out offers you exactly what you want, then there's no need for you to get a second and a third. If they are offering you what you want for the price point that you thought was fair when they presented it to you, then there's really no point in you wasting your time and getting 2, 3, 4, 5 estimates, because at the end of the day, if you've already decided that they have met your needs, you're probably going to go with them anyway, so you just wasted, a lot of time, basically, for yourself and all the other contractors. And are you shopping on value or are you shopping purely on price? So if you're shopping purely on price, and price is the only thing that matters to you, well, it might be in your best interest to go get 5, 6, 7, 10 estimates and compare the price on them, because there's going to be differences in pricing based on how big a company is, how long they've been around, their brand, what type of warranties they offer, what type of products they install, all that kind of stuff. But if you're shopping on value, and value is what is most important to you, then 1, 2, maybe 3 are probably where you want to be. You're going to go pick the top companies in your area based on research, have 1 or 2 or 3 of them come out and give you an estimate, and based on the value that company brings at the price point that they provide, you're going to pick which one you want. So if one comes out and they have a catch-all system and they have a proven proprietary install system and they offer you a really great upgraded warranty and they give you a guarantee on their price, and that's exactly what you were looking for, then there's really no need for you to waste your time going and getting 3 estimates just because the Better Business Bureau or your uncle or your Aunt Jane told you that you have to get 3 estimates and pick the one in the middle. So that's kind of my advice when it comes to shopping for your next construction project. It's not just roofing, it's really construction in general. Find a company that you trust. If they offer you the value that you were looking for at the price point that you were looking for or that you think is fair, move forward with them. Don't waste your time. Don't waste their time. It's a big headache for everyone involved when someone's trying to get 10 estimates as opposed to just going with the one that they really felt right with the first time. So I hope you learned something here. If you like these videos, consider giving us a follow on Twitter, on TikTok, on LinkedIn. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. And we publish videos just like this on our YouTube channel. You can find that by searching Big Time Roofing. So hope you guys have a great day.